Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and this is a fourth grade game called Lattice Multiply, which gets students multiplying a single digit number into the hundreds place. So to play this game, all students will start using the same number. So in this case, they're going to roll 3 dice. It's going to give them hundreds, tens, and ones place. So they're going to write that number on their board. So this one, everybody's going to write down 678. And then let's say they roll this, not let's say, they have to roll this dice one more time to get another number. Let's say they got a 5. So now they're going to be dividing or multiplying 5 times 678. First, they're going to estimate what they think that total is going to be. And I'm going to guess it's going to be close to 3,000. Let's say another player guesses 3,500. Another player guesses maybe 4,000. And let's say another player just guesses 700. So they can, whatever guesses they make, they're going to write them down on the board. They're not going to tell each other. They're just going to write it down on the board. And they're all going to be working on the same multiplication. They're then going to use this lattice system in order to multiply. So they're going to multiply the 5 times the 8 and get 40. They're going to multiply the 5 times the 700 and get 350. And then they're going to multiply the 5 times the 600 and get 3,000. Then they're going to add those numbers up to get what their total is. I'm going to do that off to the side here. They can do it on the board, but I want you to see I'm getting a little crammed in there. And that's going to give me 3,390. So that's your final answer. All the students will compare their answers to each other to make sure they all got the same answer. If there's differences, we want them to talk about it and see if they can solve why there's any differences there. And then they're going to determine who was the closest in their estimate. So in this case, we have somebody guessed 3,000. We had somebody guess 3,500. You now have to determine, is 3,390 closer to 3,000 or to 3,500? And whoever that's closest to will get a mark saying that they won that round. So they can mark that. Now everybody will race their boards and they'll roll 3 new numbers for their what they're multiplying by, and then 1 more single digit number. So they're going to just be practicing their multiplication again and again, but also their estimates and their rounding and see which one's closer. So enjoy that activity.